Hey everyone, so let's take a look at this new trendy app called Favorited. As you can see, it's really climbed to the top charts right now in the lifestyle and in the App Store. Join the community. It's quickly getting some ratings and what this app is about. So I think this is one of the alternatives to TikTok. So the TikTok thing is not certain right now. TikTok can be banned in United States, so a lot of creators are discovering new apps. And this app is kind of like TikTok, but with one thing, it's just mostly focused on live streams. So favorited app lets you go live and interact with your audience in a way you never imagined possible. Go live and build your following, watch highly engaging live streams, interact with your favorite creators. That's the app. Live streams for you, more than just video, moments you will never forget, find your community. So that's the idea. And then you can just open it up, and then here's how it looks like. You just need to create your account. It's a bit glitchy sometimes, but it's basically like a TikTok feed. You can see here some people, and these are all live streams. So stream has ended. Maybe it's just because of the screen sharing, but basically the idea is that you'll just see live streams here, and that's what it is. Then you can just follow some person. You can go to discovery feed, and in discovery feed you can see a lot of creators. You can see like events, some group live streams. So you can see some people here. You can just go to their live stream, and then this is the idea how you see it. Then you can just add it, request to join as a friend. Then there are some gifts. You can get coins here. You can see number of people. You can follow them. You can see who is in daily ranking. So that's the idea. So a lot of people here just in this live stream. So that's just what it is, as you can see. And then you can see a lot of charts like new. And then you can see following. Then you can see in battles. Then you can see activity here. So different what happened. Then this is just basically your profile. So very kind of minimalistic. Then you can see number of streaks. Keep your streak up by opening the app every day and win secret prizes. And then you have your followers. Not yet. Then you have your account. By the way, it's pretty good idea right now that you can reserve really cool username. So I reserved like a first name username here, at my first name. So it's pretty cool. So at least do that, even if you're not planning to do anything else on this app. Then you can just enter your name here. Then you tap bio. You can also add some links in your bio here. Then you can also add like social links, Instagram, TikTok, Twitch, X, Discord, YouTube, Cash App, Spotify. Then there is your coins. You can see how much you earned. And then there is also some kind of referral code. I don't know where to get it, how to generate it, but some people have it. And you and referral will receive free coins. Then if you want to get more coins, you can just get them from here. So that's another idea how you can get it. So yep, muted words. You can just add some muted words. You don't want to see streams with. You can see some moderators, blocked users, and there is support. Then you can log out, and then you can also delete your permanent account permanently. This action is permanent and irreversible. You will be immediately signed out and lose access to all your data. So that's just what you have. And then also you have your rankings here, which are like daily streamers. So that's what it is. Yeah, so this is kind of like, Kick combined with Twitch, combined with TikTok kind of idea. But it's very minimalistic app. This is not like just for gamers. Nope, it's for everyone. A lot of people here, like growing community. And then you just need to buy these coins. So to buy these coins, that's just what you have. And then there is your account. Again, you can just go and watch people. Then let's just try to start your stream. So let's do it. So you just tap stream in the bottom. So here's my profile. You can just add title, and then you can just try to go live here. So now you're going live in this app, and it's quite a lot of settings here. I was surprised. You can see viewers list. You can invite people to view you. Some people already start to follow you. Then you can just explore different types of games, like all types of games here, very different, like meme reviews, tic-tac-toe, trivia games, which you can just play during your live stream and other people can watch it. So it's a nice start to streamer. Then there are some technical settings, like you can manage your microphone, camera here, some privacy, who you invite in the stream, who you don't invite. Some moderations, and then you can just copy the link, ask your friends to boost your stream. So that's how you get more views, as just said. And then there are settings in top right again, and in top to right, you can just end the screen with a like power button icon. So that's basically what you have here. That's the idea. And yeah, so that's, you just see it here. And then in the end, you will just see analytics of your stream, like great stream, how many people watched it, top viewers, which followers you gained. And yeah, so that's basically the idea. You can see exactly who followed you. So yeah, it's a very nice app just to start streaming. It feels very like cozy app. It's not like TikTok. And yeah, here then you just go to your profile and you can see some streak, like how many times you open the app. You can see how many followers you have already. The app is a bit glitchy. As you can see, like I have a follower already. It doesn't update on my profile. But yeah, that's just what you can see right now. And then, yeah, so this is the app. It's getting a lot of popularity, and then we can just go and watch some reviews. So a lot of people like it. This is the app, better than TikTok. So people say that, yeah, I feel better with less people watching my streams. So yeah, very like kind of cozy environment, I would say, in this app. So seems maybe some legit reviews here, not that many, but yeah, it's a good start. You can see this app was already for a while here, so it's not just released. It was like, I think, for a year or more. And yeah, it just start to get some traction right now, probably because, you know, of this like future TikTok limitation. So like TikTok may just leave the US market, and a lot of streamers already looking for some alternatives. So that's just what you see here. And then yeah, you just see that's just what you have. And then yeah, that's the app, basically number 2 in lifestyle these days. So yeah, pretty cool app. If you are a streamer, this is nice opportunity at least to reserve your username. And then also like you can start to do few streams and see how it goes. It's very early with this app, but yeah, here you go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and become my member. Join membership of my channel. Thanks for watching.